Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating Fortnite. So this is on your Xbox. Just make sure you guys already have Fortnite, and if it hasn't started up the update, just launch the app itself. Okay, just try to open it up. That's gonna kind of force to run it, and then you should see something like this. Doesn't really matter, just close it up. Okay, so that's gonna kind of force it to refresh if you don't see the update already. And then we're just gonna go into my games and apps. From my games and apps, just scroll down until you guys see this. And from here, select your very first option. If you guys have any other games downloading at the moment, we should just be able to cancel them or just pause them. So in this case, we're just gonna cancel this. We're gonna cancel this as well. And we're gonna get rid of any other game that's getting in the way. And yes, you guys don't have to cancel them. You can just pause them and that should be good enough. So right now we're just gonna pause this one, actually cancel it as well. That's in my case. I'm canceling everything, so Fortnite just goes in there. I can just pause them, by the way, do not have to do that. And then after that I should be able to see Fortnite updating, and finally I can see that it's 12.79 gigs. Now as long as I see my network running and it's going, then it's working. Also, quick tip, make sure you do have enough space on your Xbox. You may only have a couple gigs left, so go ahead and delete some games from your Xbox. If this is running way too slow, well, then just try using Ethernet cable. Hook that up straight to your Xbox and then to your router. So as long as you guys have that Ethernet cable, it should be faster than most of your Wi-Fi. Some of you may have really good routers, so you may not need that Ethernet cable in order to run this pretty fast. So for most of you, this should take a couple of hours. For some of you, this could take a couple of days. And for others, it could take a couple minutes. It does really depend on your internet speed. Right now, you guys can see on my network, it's running at 230. Yeah, it's okay speed right now. I am downloading other things, so that's why it's not going the fastest possible. It's only at 2% right now. And the only other way to make this faster is if you guys are streaming something online, don't do it. If you guys are downloading videos, stop doing that. So anything you guys can stop doing online at the moment, this is the time to do it. Also, for some of you, depending on which type of internet you guys have, if you do the update right in the morning, let's say 2 or 3 a.m., it should run faster than doing it, for example, at 2 p.m. or 5 p.m. Anyways, for now, we're just gonna wait for this update to be done, and then we can start up the new season right here on Fortnite. So a few minutes after, or maybe a few hours after, once it's done, you should see something like this. Nothing really. And just tap or click on Fortnite and it should launch up. You guys should see this screen. Now this is the first time I'm running it, so it will take longer to load up. It's gonna be the same thing for you guys because everything needs to load up. Although it downloaded everything, it still needs to kind of install it and refresh it in your system. And that's why it's gonna take a little bit longer this time to open it up and run Fortnite rather than before when you guys had everything. So at this point we should see this starting Fortnite. This is all normal. This is exactly what we should be seeing at this point in time. After that, yes, another loading screen. That's perfect. So as long as we don't get stuck on any of these screens, that means we're good to go. We can just keep waiting for the game to load. Now it's not gonna take this long every time you want to play the game. And finally, Fortnite. So let's just press A to start. We're gonna log in. For most of you, you should just automatically log in. And then finally, we should see this screen, which, yes, kind of weird. Doesn't load up exactly as fast as it should, but that's okay. Let's just go right into it. Again, another loading screen. And yes, right now we should see this video playing at the moment. So it's a really quick video. You guys can just watch the video and enjoy it before we get started with Fortnite.
broken. But I know I brought these mighty warriors here to defend our reality. High above this strange land is where we'll prepare to stand against him. Galactus, the devourer of worlds. We must remember who we are. Storm, Iron Man, Mystique, Doctor Doom, She-Hulk, Wolverine, and I am Groot. Indeed. Our greatest war begins here. Now, we will explore this land, regain our powers, and reclaim our memories. Join us. Together, we will defeat Galactus and save all reality!
Right after that quick video, we should see this. So at this point in time, we can go ahead and buy the battle pass, or we can just go back on it. We're gonna see this. We can equip it, sure. And yep, so battle pass, we can go into our locker and check it out. Item shop, we can check that out as well to see what's available at the moment. Now let's just go back and you're gonna see play. So right now we can go ahead and play this new season. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.